everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Renee Roxanne and you're tuned into another video. Today I'll be giving you this super cute, bouncy, fluffy, lightweight, and very playful Bantu knot hair. This is the takedown after we did our Bantu knots. I believe it was 4 days ago we did the Bantu knots, and I've been wearing it as a style. And then I finally decided, hey, it's Saturday, it's time to go out and let my hair down. And this hair is just so cute and so playful. It looks like I have a little wig on. I'm definitely feeling this super cute short look. Now, if you guys want to see how I style my hair and get into this final look, stay tuned. Apply a light oil onto your hands to help seal in the moisture, minimize frizz and friction. Now hold your knot and simply twist counterclockwise to loosen and unravel. Starting from the root, split the twist into the two natural halves created and undo them gently to the ends. The hair quickly bounces up into a tight curl. Continue to undo the Bantu knots. Separate the twist, which should come apart effortlessly. Watch as these lengthy, luscious curls spring right back up so tightly. Oh my gosh, guys. These curls are so dang delicious. Once you undo your twists, take the large curls and split the pieces of hair however they naturally want to separate. Try to only choose strands that are clumped together to minimize unnecessary frizz. Do this until you close all of the open spaces where the parts were created. You can finger fluff your hair and leave it like this. If you want to get even more voluminous curls, grab a pick and sneak in behind your curls and lift up at the root. Don't pull it through the length of the hair or you may destroy your curls and create frizz and stray hairs. Pick as much as your heart desires. I want to keep this a low profile, short, soft girl era look. Hey guys, so if you love this Bantu knot takedown, please stay tuned for more videos and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.